Hi everyone!
Hi!
Today we are in front of Guzmán and Ariza legal offices in Las Terrenas to explain you the legal process to purchase property in the Dominican Republic.
Guzmán y Ariza is the biggest legal office in the Dominican Republic with 8 offices, 60 attorneys and more than 95 years experience in the country. Now let's meet with Sosa, one of the attorneys that helps our client to buy property.
Hey Samuel, can you tell us a little bit more about yourself?
I'm a 26 years old Dominican lawyer. My practice areas are real estate law, corporate law, and litigation. I usually work with French, English, and Spanish-speaking clients that come to the DR and need help regarding purchasing a property, setting up a company, or drawing up a specific contract.
Can foreigners buy property in the Dominican Republic?
Yes, of course. Foreign investors are bound by the same regulations than Dominican, so the only documents that we will need will be a copy of their passports and a second ID, like a driver's license or a medical insurance.
What are the 5 steps to purchase real estate in DR?
The first step is to have an agreement between the seller and the buyer regarding the property and the sales price, because a contract is a concurrence of wills. We usually prepare a promise of sale that will formalize the transaction, and we will put all the conditions regarding the sales price, form of payment, penalty in case of non-compliance, and we will perform during this delay the due diligence regarding the property. Once all the conditions included in the promise of sale have been met, we prepare a final sales agreement that will serve to close the deal. Next step is to obtain from the tax authorities the amount to pay for transfer taxes of the property. Last step is to obtain from the Registry of Title the new certificate of title in the name of the buyer.
What are the taxes and expenses on the property purchase?
You have 2 kinds of taxes in these cases. A one-time transfer taxes, that is 3% of the sales price, and you pay for transferring on your name the ownership right. And an annual property tax, that is 1% of the value of the property if you are a company, and 1% on any value greater than $160,000 if you buy as an individual.
And what about the law CONFOTUR?
CONFOTUR benefits apply to some projects with tourist vocation and that fulfill some requirements. They benefit the buyers that won't have to pay the 3% of the sales price for the first transfer, and during 15 years they won't have to pay annual property taxes.
What are the legal fees?
Our legal fees are 1.5% of the sales price with a minimum of $1,950. They include the writing of all the contracts, the due diligence process, the writing of a power of attorney if you need it, and all the requests behind the Dominican administration.
Thank you for watching the video. Now you know everything to purchase a property in the DR. If you want more detailed information, you can read our article on our website.